Well, I got the length of my tarp. It's going to be 20 feet by 16. So I got the the bottom 7 or 6 by 8s leveled out, and I've done the same on this side. So I cut these ones, the longer one, down to 16, and then these ones are 4 on both ends. So right now what I'm going to do is square up the building. This is a different way that I'm going to do it. I just use this 4 by 8 sheet. Find the corner here and then flush it up on this corner here, and then I'm going to run a string line from here down and bring that one over, so you can see it needs to come back about a foot, and then we should be pretty close to being square this way, but then I'll square it up diagonal, and then I'll put up the frame. I got the frame in the back of the truck right there. So that's, hopefully I can get it done today. I'm not too sure. I got other things to do this evening. I got one son at home, the other one is away visiting, so can't leave my son too long, but get something done here, so that'd be good. All right, so I'm going to run a string line here and see where I'm at, square this up, square this corner up, and then I'll get this building squared up, and then I'll get started on the frame. Well, got the building square. So I'm just looking through what I need here. This is all the pieces. This is an old, it's a couple years old, but I'm going to start off with the back of the back of the. So it tells you each piece. So I'm going to start off with the very back. So with those bottom plates, the foots. Then I'll need two number twos, and then I'll need these corner pieces, and 3 pieces, and then that piece. So these are the plates, the foots, so the G's, and I'll need a number 2. This is a number 2 here. They're all marked. Number 2, and then that one there, probably that, and then there's that top piece right there. That looks like the top there, and then I just repeat it on the other side. So let's put one of these end pieces together and see. Then we'll get an idea what it looks like on the back side there. Well, I built this section on the ground. The instruction says I need how many people? I don't know if it says that. I think I read it somewhere. Three people. Okay, well, I don't have, well, if I asked, I probably would have help, but seeing how I don't like to bother people too much, I just figured things out on my own. But anyways, you can see I'm gonna, there's some braces that go in here, so I gotta put them on lats at the bottom, the braces, and then I'll add some extra braces. But it's quite high. So I'm going to build another section, and then one more section like this, and then we'll put on another section, two more sections. So I'll get that on, and then tomorrow I can do some more. I gotta put the feet on there, and I'll anchor it down, and then I'll tie it down so overnight, and then tomorrow I can tarp it. I got the two end walls. There's an end wall down there with a big door, and then down here there'll be a big. I got an end wall too. It has a big door too, so it will work out. And then after I get it all put together and secured, and then I'll run some string lights along the ridge there, and we'll have lighting in here. All right, so I'll get one more. I'll do one more section and put it into place. All right, coming along slowly, but it's coming along. Well, I got the frame up, and tomorrow I'll put the tarp on, and the end walls, the doors. But yeah, very happy with it. I got to put some braces on it yet, so we're not quite done with it. So yeah, that's quite high. Oh, lots of room in here now. So I'm very pleased with it. Sun's going down. Go home now. Take my son to the Christmas parade. We're having a Christmas parade here in town, so we'll go enjoy that for a few hours or an hour. Get hot chocolate. Yeah, so we'll have a nice evening. I'm really happy I got this frame up. I want to get this all done and get probably and get some heat in here next week, and so I can get started on getting that floor package together. I'm going to have to take a trip. I was going to mill some power poles down at Douglas Fir. I still have those, but I want to get the floor done and get going on this. Yeah, so quite happy with it. Got lots done today. We got those plates done today. We got them laid out. Got the other ones done. Got those ones done as well. Got the frame up, so quite happy with it. All right, well, I got to get home to my son. He's probably wondering where I'm at, so I better go see him and take him out for supper and go to the parade. All right, thank you again for sticking with me and on my journey here. We have lots to do. After we get this done here, I got logs, actual logs, round logs. So, all right then. Well, that's for an upcoming project, but we'll work on this. Okay. Thank you again. Those are new. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe, share, like. I like the comments. It kind of gives me a gauge and how things are going. So appreciate it. All right.